Well, it's 3:30 in the morning, and the sun has risen here, and I'm just getting ready to leave the boat, and that involves me getting all the gear I'm taking on deck, and rendezvousing with Mike again, and just finalising our plans for the transfer, and then I will inflate my life raft, having already got into my sea survival suits, and Mike will come close to me and I will fire a line across to him, and I will then get into the life raft and leave the boat. This is probably the hardest thing I've ever had to do in my life. This boat has been my life for the last 3 years. And it really doesn't feel right to be leaving her behind. I've been through lots of emotion over the last 24 hours, and it still gets me every now and again, but now is the time for action and not emotion. And so the important thing is to get in that raft and get onto ECOVER as quickly as possible. Yeah, it doesn't show very well in the video, but the sea state's really nasty. The life raft's really bouncing up and down. As soon as Mike is ready, then I'll either get into the raft and then fire a rocket line thrower to him. Or I may do that from the boat first, depending on exactly. I've got a handheld radio on deck, and so we're in constant communication. Mike's only about a quarter of a mile in front of me and just to the left, and I expect him to be ready to come back very shortly. Okay, Mike, ready when you are.